Okay, so the little guys want to do a little toy review of what they found in the bathtub filled with popcorn. Q wants to go first.
I found an Adventure Force Dino Blue Blaster, a red Bakugan, a Spidey minifigure, and a Zoo Dino Island, Smashers Dino Island, and a Blue Thunder monster truck.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, now it's Caden's turn.
I got the same thing, the Adventure Force. I got Monster Jams, but it's a zombie one. I got the Zaru Dino.
Turn it around so we can see.
The Zaru Smasher Dino Island. I got
Cool.
Spider-Man minifinger, whatever it is. And then I got a yellow Bakugan.
Yay! Cool. And then what are you going to do a taste test on that you guys are going to share?
Punch.
Cool. I don't know. I don't like sour stuff, but all the power to you. Okay, so we are back. Everything is open. They have it all ready to go. Woohoo! What do you guys want to do first?
Smashers.
The Smashers? Okay. Ready? How are you going to do it? Whoa!
Karate
So that's what you do. The taekwondo paid off, didn't it?
What's this?
Okay, let's see.
Oh, blind bags.
Turn it around. Let me see.
A slime,
Let me see.
a dino slime.
Dino slime. Let's see what you got, Kia. Did you get the same thing?
Yeah.
Dino slime.
Okay, so here are the directions.
Okay.
Here are the directions.
What's the other thing you got?
Mystery blind bag.
Oh, nice. Let's
I think this.
see what's inside
Okay.
the mystery. You got mystery too, Kate?
Yes.
Okay. You guys need help?
Who's mine?
Don't use your teeth, buddy.
Ooh. Yeah, I need help.
Ready? Watch your fingers.
It's a golden guy. Look. It's golden
Hold
bug
on
guy.
1 second, buddy. Let's see. What does Kaden have in there? What do you have? Whoa, that's so
Moose.
cool.
It has golden hook.
Very cool.
I
Okay,
got-
Kate, what do you have, bud?
Golden bug guy.
Golden
Wait, really?
bug?
Yeah, I
Cool.
guess so.
You're getting almost everything. It looks like boogers.
I'm gonna try to get the
Cute
fossils
spider
out.
web.
Ew, Cade.
True.
No, get off me. Get off me, slime. No, it's still on. Oh. Gonna try.
Ew, how does it feel?
Nice.
Yeah.
Feels slimy.
So, does it feel gooey?
Yes. I'm trying to take all the fossils out.
Dinosaur is all built. Let's see, Q. Cool. It's a little fossil.
He's
going.
gonna hatch. Okay, his head poking out, but when he's born, he's a skeleton.
Boop, boop.
Nom 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 nom.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay, let's see Caden's dinosaur. It's all built. Let's see. Show me.
Yoo-hoo!
All right. Good job. You guys are awesome.
And he loves slime.
He loves the slime.
Oh, there's a moose in it. my moose.
Slimy.
Slime. Yay.
Yo, this is Miles Morales,
Miles Morales.
and he's from Spider-Man.
Cool.
And one day he was swinging around until he ran out of webs and fell, and got stuck in the goo.
And then,
And then he got some more web and swung out.
Cool. What else you have
And
to
then
show?
I got this guy. This guy drove by and he caught him. He said, bye-bye.
And
This is
last but
Blue
not
Thunder.
least, well, actually not last, but what is that? Next,
The Bakugan. What you do with a Bakugan is you fold them up, and this is the actual Bakugan, where you have to take him and you have to slide him on one of these. So say I take this one, and since this one's a 200, it's better and gives him more health. You can roll him on there, and he should go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, that, and boom.
cool.
Bakugan battle mode.
Very cool.
And then you can battle your Bakugan
Nice.
with these cards you can do. And I have Geogon. Yep.
Yeah?
And here he is.
Cool.
Bakugan.
One day, Spider-Man was swinging along doing his tricks. Then a car fell on him. Well, he fell on the car, and then he started to fall. Then the car flipped over, and then he accidentally got flipped over and got in the slime. And then he tried to get out, but then he jumped out.
Cool.
never
So
knew
you
that
got the
happened.
car and you got that figure.
And then, see these little plate things? If you take your Bakugan, roll it on it, wait a second. Boom. It turns into a Bakugan.
Cool.
And he can
Let's
actually
see.
walk, I think. This works.
Let's see.
And
Bakugan. Okay, now for, what did you get?
A blue Raptor Nerf gun. Right, Kaden?
right.
Cool. What does it do?
It does this. I missed.
Me too.
I missed.
You missed flame, Daddy.
All out.
Yes, I shot it.
Oh, I'm missing it.
Took away. Got it. On it. Oh, one more. Yes.
Okay, last but not least, what do you guys have?
These sour punch bites.
Ooh, are you going to try it?
Yes. Which flavor would you like? What color would you like? There's green, blue, and red.
I'll do red.
There you go.
Sorry, thank you.
And I'll take my favorite color, blue.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, let's see if
Mm,
is it sour?
that is sour.
It is. There's
Oh, that's sour.
Okay, Kate. Oh, you put the whole thing in your mouth?
Good.
It's not sour.
It's not sour?
I told you I like sour things.
Let me see your eyes.
I see him. It is sour. I see you. I wonder which one I should eat first. This one or this one? This one.
Good.
This one's actually not that too sour.
No? How's yours, Kate? That one's sour?
Not
No?
that much.
The blue one.
How's it? Good?
Mm-hmm.
I like.
That red one's strong.
Yeah.
All right, now to taste the green one. That is so sour. This one's
Green
even
one's
more
sour?
sour.
Oh. This seriously won't shut for some reason.